Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 16th, 2025, and we're diving into Quantum-Si's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Quantum-Si, known as the protein sequencing company, has just released their Q1 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their revenue growth to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Quantum-Si reported a revenue of $842,000 for Q1 2025, which is an 84% increase over the same period last year. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This significant revenue growth indicates strong demand for Quantum-Si's products, particularly their new Platinum Pro units. The gross profit of $486,000 and a gross margin of 58% show that the company is managing its costs effectively, despite a net loss of $19.2 million.
How does this compare to their previous performance?
Compared to last year, the company has improved its revenue substantially, which is a positive sign. However, they are still operating at a loss, which is common for companies in the early stages of commercialization.
Strategic initiatives and product launches. Quantum-Si has been busy with several strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their recent product launches and developments?
Absolutely. They've successfully launched and delivered their first Platinum Pro units, which is a major milestone. Additionally, their Proteus platform and V4 sequencing kit are on track for a Q3 2025 launch, and they plan to release a V3 library preparation kit by the end of the year. These initiatives are crucial for expanding their market presence.
What impact do these developments have on their market position?
These launches position Quantum-Si as a leader in the proteomics field, offering advanced technologies that are accessible to a broader range of customers, particularly in international markets.
Financial health and cash runway. Let's talk about Quantum-Si's financial health. They reported cash and equivalents of $232.6 million. How does this affect their operations?
With a cash runway extending into the second half of 2027, Quantum-Si is in a strong position to continue funding its R&D and commercialization efforts. Their operating expenses are being managed tightly, which is crucial for sustaining long-term growth.
What about their adjusted EBITDA?
The adjusted EBITDA was negative $21.5 million, reflecting ongoing investments in their development programs. While this is a loss, it's important to note that these investments are necessary for future growth and market expansion.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now, let's discuss the earnings per share. Quantum-Si reported an adjusted EPS of $0.11, beating the forecast 7 cents. What does this mean for the company?
Beating the EPS forecast is a positive indicator, showing that Quantum-Si is managing its financials better than expected. This can boost investor confidence and support the company's stock performance.
How many analysts were involved in this forecast?
There was one analyst involved in the forecast. While it's a small sample size, beating expectations is still a noteworthy achievement for the company.
Key takeaways. In summary, Quantum-Si has shown impressive revenue growth and strategic advancements in Q1 2025. Their ability to beat EPS expectations and maintain a strong cash position bodes well for their future. John, any final thoughts?
Quantum-Si is well positioned in the proteomics market with their innovative products and strategic initiatives. Investors should keep an eye on their upcoming product launches and market expansion efforts.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Quantum-Si's performance in the comments below.